Intermittent fasting and how to do it. Friends, there is something common between you and me that whenever we get a challenge in our life, it gives us some kind of a motivation. If especially when we know this thing that a battle is on the lost part. The same thing happens with the intermittent fasting also. So many people, they are very much fascinated about the intermittent fasting because they have already tried so many diets in their life and now they want to try intermittent fasting also. But friends, usually intermittent fasting is a kind of a skill which a person must learn in his or her life. In this very video, I will be help you out to do the intermittent fasting, and I will also help you out that what is the right way to do the diet. Health, happiness, immunity, and to have great body. This is my goal for every client, for everybody.
This is how legends are made.
Hi, my name is Bhupendra and I'm an online fitness coach. I'm a lifestyle expert and I'm on the mission to transform 100,000 working class people of India, and I want to give them a happy, healthy, immune and to have a great body. That's why I have created an e-book Know Your Fitness to help them out. Friends, intermittent fasting is quite a old concept of living, and but in just last decade only it has become quite popular in India, that many of the people who were doing keto diet now they are doing intermittent fasting also, so that's why they try this thing. I would like to tell you a simple story of my personal life. That it was, I still remember that when I was 32 years old, around 5 years back, on that time, for the first time in my life, I tried intermittent fasting and keto diet after joining a obesity doctor. On that time, it was quite fascinating and quite a new concept, and I really enjoyed it. But within a 6 months, I just fall dramatically. I was not able to understand this thing, that why this thing is happening to me, because I did not have the knowledge which I'm giving to you right now, that how to do the intermittent fasting and how just by listening to the some of the videos and all these things you cannot have the tricks or the tactics to have the intermittent fasting. You need to do so many things before the intermittent fasting, and what I did, that I directly jump into the intermittent fasting and it did not work out on me. Friends, intermittent fasting, basically if we talk about the intermittent fasting and starvation, the starvation is the concept in which a person who is hungry and he or she doesn't have any idea that when they are going to get the food. But if we talk about the intermittent fasting, it is intentionally keeping yourself hungry and you know that when you're going to have the food. So it is a major difference. Now, those people who are, basically it is made for those people, it is not made for those people. I'm telling to you, the first number is this, that it is not meant for the children's, it is not meant for those people who are living their lives on the medicine, because prior to consuming their medicine they have to consume some kind of a food, so that's why they should not try intermittent fasting. And the third people, which is very important point for all of you, who has the problem of malnutrition. And why so many people fall? The answer is they don't have the knowledge of nutrition. There is four components of the food. The number one is protein, carbohydrate, fats, vitamins and minerals or vegetables. But we do not go know the balance, that what is the particular balance requirement we have in our diet. So that's why our metabolism is already damaged, and now we are doing intermittent fasting, and every time we are breaking our fast by consuming 500 or 700 calories of food, we are giving pain to our metabolism. Friends, at least a person must consume 1500 calories of diet in his or her life if you are more than 5 feet or are from 5 feet. Friends, if you're not even consuming the 1500 or 1200 to 1500 of diet in your life, then you are killing your metabolism if you don't know what is the science of the food. That's why so many people they fall. And if you don't want to fall, then always remember this thing, that there is a key to do the intermittent fasting. That usually the what is the popular way of intermittent fasting is the window of 16 and 8. It means for the 16 hours you are not consuming your food, and within the window of 8 hours you are consuming your food. But there is nowhere this thing is written that you should not have the nutrition into it. And if we talk about the nutrition, a nutritious diet is that very diet in which we have 20% of protein, around 30% of fat, and around 50% of carbohydrate. And what we are doing, we are only consuming carbohydrate but not the fat and the protein in our diet, especially when we are doing intermittent fasting. That's why we fall. So if you want to build your muscle, or if you want to lose your weight, on that time you can do intermittent fasting. But if you need to consume 3000 calorie of food, then you should consume at the time of your muscle building. And if you want to reduce your weight, you should consume 500 calorie less than your requirement, not more than this. Intermittent fasting is the fastest way to balance your hormone, but it is also the fastest way to slow down your metabolism. And this is what is happening for so many people. So this is the malnutrition is the number one reason in many of the Indian people that they are facing the problem of not doing their intermittent fasting in a right way, because they do not consume a good sources of protein in their life. Friends, I still remember that for a person, once I have told to a person to consume 5 white egg in his diet. On that time he told me 5 eggs are so much. Then I told him that how much is the so much? So he told me 5 egg is 5 egg. And I have told him the truth. The 5 egg is equals to 1 chapati. It is a calorie. Our body does not understand that what is the egg, what is the chapati. Our body understands that what is the calories going into our body. So both have the equal calorie. So if you are not able to consume a single chapati calorie of protein in per meal, then you should think about it, that what is your nutrition status. Friends, now I would like to tell to you that how to do the intermittent fasting, and after that I will be telling you that how I did intermittent fasting when I was in my weight loss journey. Friends, there are 2 ways to do the intermittent fasting. The number one is the step-by-step way, in which first of all you need to cut down your snacks and have your meals 3 times: breakfast, lunch, dinner. And after that go for the keto diet, that just you are not consuming any kind of a grains or fruits in your daily meal, and you are taking most of your energy from the protein sources. And now if your body is satisfied, and even you don't need to do the keto diet every day, just make it a habit to do alternate days. And once your body is adapted for the 2 weeks for the keto diet, then you can try keto diet along with the intermittent fasting alternately or twice in a week. Give it a try. And always there is a measurement which will give you the right answers, always your feeling. If you are after doing your intermittent fasting, if you are not feeling happy, then you should stop doing it. This is the number one way, step by step method. The second way to do the intermittent fasting is that you need to do the break timings. That first of all you need to alternately you need to do the try to do alternate intermittent fasting along with the timing. The timing, you should not push yourself for the 16 hours for the very first go. Try to push for the 10 hours, and after that take a 1 day break, and after that go for the 12 hours, then after that take a break, then go for the 13 hours. And still if you're not feeling good, then again push back yourself to the 10 hours or 11 hours. The same thing I also used to do. What I used to do, it will definitely will help you out. Most of the people, how they are doing intermittent fasting, that they usually skip their breakfast. What they do, that usually they take their breakfast or their dinner or their first meal at 12 o'clock or at 2 p.m. But it is a wrong way. The way which I'm telling to you right now, it is a right way. Okay, and I have tried and tested on me. I'm just doing the opposite of it. So if you want to do the intermittent fasting, try to do this thing. The first of all thing which you need to do, that if you are doing your workouts in the morning, Then have your meal around hour and 2 hour before your workouts. And after that, just make your window of the workout, make your window of the meal consuming of 8 hours. For example, I used to wake up at 6 a.m. or 5 a.m. on my time. So on that time, on first thing which I used to do, that within half an hour I used to consume my breakfast at 5 a.m. And after that I used to, there was a window till 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. So usually I might, this was my window only from 5 a.m. or from 6 a.m. to till 4 p.m. only. I used to consume my food at times, or at times till 6 p.m. or at times till 7 p.m. So it is totally depend on that what kind of a schedule you have. So if you are doing your morning workouts, so on that time make a opposite, because once you are in your hungry mode, not only your in evening our metabolism is slow, but you can also spend so much time while sleeping in night. So that's why you can do this thing. But I have never missed any of my meals when I was doing the intermittent fasting. Even on that time also I was consuming 5 times. And even right now I am on my muscle building program where I'm gaining some weight. Even this time also I'm consuming 5 times a meal. So friends, right now I'm not doing any kind of a intermittent fasting in my life. So friend, on that time I used to do this kind of a thing. So on that time my last meal was around 6 p.m. in the evening, and my first meal was around 7 a.m. in the morning. So this is how I used to do the intermittent fasting. You can also do this thing. And these all are the some of the things which are all about the intermittent fasting. But I would like to suggest to you that we all want to be fit and we all want to be happy, healthy and immune. So why only you are taking care of the intermittent fasting? Why don't you go for the nutritious diet along with the calorie deficit? I guarantee to you that if you have the right knowledge about the food and the nutrition, then definitely you will be more happy. You can enjoy your hotels food, you can enjoy your home-based food, and you can enjoy so many things. Friends, it doesn't matter that what you eat, but it always matters what is into your plate. So if you're not consuming nutritious food and if you are believing that intermittent fasting is going to work you out, then you are playing with your life. So don't play with your life. The time which has taken for you to become unfit is more than 30 years, 35 years, and right now you are thinking that you should become fit. But it is not a fact. The fact is one thing only, which is that you need to have the knowledge of the nutrition which you haven't taken in your school life, and now it is the right time for you to take to have a happy, healthy and immune life. Friends, I really want to ask one thing to you, that if you are looking forward to lose your weight, then there are so many tools, but all are the tools is going to say one thing to you. The tools like keto diet, Paleolithic diet, intermittent fasting, they all are telling to you that have a nutritious food under calorie, which is basically your whatever kind of a calorie requirement you have, you need to consume less than that. So friends, why don't you do something better than this? To help you out, I have created an ebook. In that very ebook, you're going to find out a 7-day diet plan, whether you are veg or non-veg, or some of the home-based workouts, which can surely give you a kick start to start your health routine again. Let's see if you find out any of the progress into your health and fitness because of the ebook, then do let me know into the comments. This is your fitness friend Bhupendra signing out for now, and I know that you all can do it. You all just need to know your fitness and be happy without any reason.